Alright, we're at our local Walmart. We're going to go inside and see what we can do and what we can find to help us customize. Don't know if I can record in there. Don't know what the stipulations are, but I'll record what I can. I switched to my phone, so that way it's easier. So let's see what we can get. Just got back from Walmart and I had more stuff that was delivered from Walmart that I ordered. It just happened to come the same day that I went out to Walmart, so that's a little bonus. I can do all of them right now. That way I ain't got to do a separate video. First thing first, let me show you guys what I got from Walmart. Excuse the mess in the background. We're trying to get that situated and move our 3D stuff around. I did get the red, yellow, and black. So that's upstairs for a future project. I ended up getting these. They're the cloud slides from Walmart. We're probably going to be customizing these. They were on sale. They were originally $12, $13. They were on sale for $9 and some change, as you guys seen in the video. So I had to cop those. Also had to get the white ones. Stephanie is probably going to customize these, so stay tuned. We might post that video, might not post that video, but we're definitely going to post the black ones. If you guys want to see the white ones, let us know. And these are the FUBU shoes. I got these FUBU shoes to try to learn how to customize on them because they remind me of the Jordans. I'll show you guys up close so you guys can see the resemblance. These were about $20. As you can tell, they definitely have the same look as the Jordans. More likely I'm going to customize these. Stay tuned on that video. I have an idea ready for this one. And I ordered another one. That will be coming another day. So just stay tuned for those. And these are, I have an idea what these are, but I wish they wouldn't have put them in a bag. That's alright. If you don't know what these are, if you guys have been watching my recent videos, I'm working on customizing with these. There are the Walmart dupes, Air Force One dupes that they came out for Walmart. I seen another YouTuber customizing these, Marko, and for some reason, supposedly TikTok, everybody on TikTok's doing these, but we bought a couple of these so we can customize. Stay tuned for those videos. Let us know what you guys want to see us do to those. So, and I ended up ordering a lot more of these. So let us know if you'd like any of our customization. Who knows? Maybe we'll do some giveaways in the future. But those are what they look like. And these surprisingly came in boxes. These are the exact same shoes, but they're a size 6. This is from Wonder Nation instead of No Boundaries, which they're the exact same size shoes. I don't know if it's a kid's brand versus a adult brand, but for these, I only paid, I want to say $8 to $9 for these because they were on clearance. So definitely a good bargain if you want to get shoes for your kids going back to school and whatnot, or you want to give them something cheap to practice on, they want to draw on their shoes, this is a great alternative right here. This one, same size. I ordered a bunch of them. Last box right here. This one's another size 6. For some reason, size 6 is the only size they had available. I'm pretty sure that's the only size they had available for the clearance, for the $8 ones. Another size 6. Another size 6. Another size 6. And another size 6. So for $8 a piece, I think I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bought 7 of them, plus the one that came in the bag that I paid retail for, and I bought 2 others. And then that, definitely keep an eye on the website. Try your local stores, but with TikTok and other YouTubers doing the same thing, it's making it harder for anybody to find, so definitely check online. Remember to like, subscribe, consider subscribing please, and let us know what kind of customizations you want to see us try, what kind of things you want to see us do on these Walmart dupes. Appreciate it, and just remember, anybody can customize. Alright, until next time.